Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to find someone on Telegram by phone number, and now let's dive right in. Now, to find someone on Telegram by phone number, there are two ways you can do it. Either save your phone number of your friend or that person whom you want to find on Telegram on your phone. Open up your dial pad over here on your phone and save that contact to your phone by creating a new contact. After creating a new contact, guys, enter their phone number and their name over here and save that contact to your phone. And if they have registered on Telegram, they will be available on your Telegram. Similarly, on Telegram app also, this is the second way you can find someone on Telegram. You can see this is our Telegram app. After opening it, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a pen icon and the camera icon available for us. At the bottom right, tap on the pen icon and you will be on this interface where you can again see there is a person with a plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the person with the plus icon and save your contact over here by entering their phone number over here and entering the first name and last name over here. After you have created that contact, guys, they will be available on Telegram if they had registered on Telegram over here. And after saving your contact, tap on the three lined icons at the top left corner of the screen, and over here you can see the contacts option over here. And after saving your contact, guys, if they had registered on Telegram, they will be available over here where it says the Telegram contacts. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to find someone on Telegram by phone number. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.